My name is Kevin Tomlinson. I'm the Director of Maintenance for South Shore Transportation. I would recommend the ROI system to all fleets. I mean, it's for making the truck ride better so that it's more comfortable for the driver. You know, keeping the guy fresh and it doesn't have to get beat up driving down the road. It definitely makes a difference.
My name is John Proctor and I drive for South Shore Transportation. You know, from one trucker to another, I highly recommend this cab system because of the improved ride and the stability of the truck, and it definitely made a world of difference.
The driver that got into that truck when we had the system put on it told me after he drove it for a day, and he said, the steering is so much easier, the ride is so much better, I don't even realize that I'm driving the truck. He says it's totally amazing, the difference that it made.
You know, I could pretty much tell immediately when I got out on the road that there was a difference in the truck. The truck felt better, and I guess it's kind of hard for me to explain, but it's just more stable. I didn't notice the wind as much, it didn't push me around as much. Truck held the road better. Coming to a stop, I don't get that push with the ROI system.
The ROI system stops all of that. It's just like sitting in your car, not pulling a trailer, and you just stop.
I wasn't as tired at the end of the day.
If I can get the guy to drive the truck for 10 hours or 11 hours, and he can get out of it and say like he's hardly even been in it, I mean, that's a positive for sure. The retaining of the drivers is a big part of what we do. If I can keep a driver in the truck, that's perfect.
Really happy with it.
The product is great, and after talking with them and saying, you know, is it really worth it? Does it really affect you that much? Yeah, yes it does.
I would say definitely give it a try. I think it's definitely a difference maker. You know, I'm kind of skeptical on a lot of that stuff they throw at the trucking industry, but this right here was definitely made a big difference.
The ROI product helps keep a driver comfortable driving the truck and in the truck for however long, and that's what I need to keep him in my fleet. Why would I not want that product?
No, I would not want to go back to what I had before, because I'm kind of attached to it now, and I think it's a good system.
I don't think there's anything else out there that will do this.